Why do people pay taxes? Is it just a legal duty, or is there something deeper at play? In Nigeria, tax compliance is not just about laws and finances. It's shaped by trust, cultural beliefs, and social influence. With a dominant informal economy and widespread skepticism about government spending, many Nigerians question whether taxation is truly beneficial. This is where tax sociology comes in. It is the study of how social structures, cultural norms, and collective behaviors influence tax compliance decisions for individuals and businesses. It examines factors like peer influence, trust in government institutions, and public perception of taxation. Understanding these dynamics can help policymakers design strategies that encourage voluntary compliance and reduce tax evasion. Hi, my name is Olatunji Abdulrazak. I am the founder and CEO of taxmobile.online. Welcome to my YouTube channel, A Stitch in Tax Saves Cash. This channel is dedicated to helping you stay on top of your taxes. We will provide you with tips and strategies to help you keep more money in your pockets and minimize your tax liability while you stay in compliance with tax laws. So, if you want to start taking control of your finances from today, hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bells to stay updated on our latest videos. Understanding the Nigerian taxpayer mindset. Several sociological factors influence tax compliance in Nigeria, each of which presents unique challenges and opportunities for tax administration. These include 1. Mistrust in government expenditure. Many Nigerians view tax collection as a one-sided obligation rather than a reciprocal social contract. Persistent issues like poor infrastructure, inadequate healthcare, and failing public services fuel skepticism, while reports of corruption reinforce the perception that tax payments do not translate into public welfare. Implication: government needs to build trust by demonstrating how tax revenues are used for community development and public services. 2. Community influence and informal economy. Social networks and community influence play a crucial role in shaping tax attitude, particularly in Nigeria's informal sector. Many small business owners and traders operate in cash-based economies with no formal tax reporting structure. When others evade taxes without consequences, individuals feel little obligation to comply. In close-knit communities, tax compliance is often perceived as unnecessary unless there is a direct, visible benefit. Implication: tax education and compliance campaigns must leverage social influencers, business associations, and community leaders to shift attitudes toward taxation. 3. Limited understanding of tax benefits. Many Nigerians are unaware of how taxation contributes to national development and economic growth. Also, a general lack of transparency in how tax revenues are allocated and the absence of visible government projects in many regions reinforces the belief that taxation offers no direct benefit to individuals. Additionally, small business owners and informal workers often do not know which taxes apply to them, leading to unintentional non-compliance. Implication: the government must implement mass education programs to inform citizens about the role of taxation in public welfare. 4. Cultural and religious perspectives. Many communities already contribute through traditional levies, religious contributions such as zakat in Islam or tithing in Christianity, and other informal taxation systems. Many view these contributions as more beneficial or morally superior to government taxation, particularly in the face of perceived government corruption, believing that funds will be misused. Implication: tax authorities must integrate cultural and religious perspectives into tax education campaigns and collaborate with religious leaders to promote tax compliance as a civic duty. Applying tax sociology for better compliance. The following initiatives can help reshape taxpayer attitudes and foster voluntary compliance. 1. Building social trust in government taxation. Overcoming mistrust requires transparency, accountability, and public engagement. Transparency initiatives include publish regular reports on tax revenue allocation and expenditure, establish digital dashboards where citizens can track government-funded projects, encourage whistleblower protection and corruption reporting mechanism. Public participation involve citizens in budgetary planning processes at the local government level, conduct public town hall meetings where taxpayers can directly engage with tax authorities. 2. Localized and community-driven tax education. A one-size-fits-all tax education strategy will not work in Nigeria's diverse society. Tax awareness campaigns must be tailored to different demographics and cultural groups. Localized strategies could include collaborating with universities to research regional tax attitudes and design community-specific outreach strategies. Conducting tax education campaigns in indigenous languages to improve accessibility and comprehension. Engaging traditional rulers, religious leaders, and local business leaders to promote taxation as a social responsibility. 3. Social proof and positive reinforcement. Social proof, which involves using positive examples to influence behavior, can drive greater compliance. Government can highlight tax benefits by showcasing tax-funded projects through social media, radio, and TV campaigns, recognizing tax-compliant businesses and individuals with awards and public acknowledgement. 4. Behavioral nudges for compliance. Tax compliance can be encouraged through subtle behavioral nudges that make tax payment easier and more socially acceptable. This includes peer-based tax encouragement. Implement social accountability programs where business associations encourage members to comply. Simplified tax processes. Make tax filing and payments more accessible through mobile apps, online platforms, and community tax hubs. Example initiative: FRS Community Engagement Strategy. The Federal Inland Revenue Service enhanced compliance through a community tax engagement program focused on tax sociology. This initiative could include 1. Regional tax attitude research. FRS could partner with universities to conduct nationwide studies on taxpayer behavior, identifying key regional differences in tax compliance attitudes. 2. Public trust campaigns. Using real-life examples of tax-funded projects, FRS can launch nationwide awareness campaigns showcasing the tangible benefit of tax payments. Media outreach. Television and radio ads featuring testimonials from citizens who have directly benefited from tax-funded projects. Social media engagement. Regular updates showcasing infrastructure and community development financed by tax revenue. 3. Tax education roadshows. FRS could organize tax education roadshows targeting markets, religious centers, and rural communities. Engage community leaders to promote tax knowledge. Offer free tax advisory services and registration assistance to informal businesses. Taxpayer reward programs. To incentivize compliance, FRS would introduce a taxpayer recognition program featuring annual awards for the most compliant businesses, public recognition of tax-compliant individuals through social media and news outlets, tax discounts or incentives for consistently compliant taxpayers. In conclusion, tax sociology provides a critical lens through which Nigeria can understand and improve tax compliance. By addressing trust issues, leveraging community influence, and integrating cultural values into tax policies, the Nigerian government can foster a stronger tax-paying culture. Implementing socially driven tax policies will not only increase government revenue, but also strengthen the social contract between taxpayer and the state. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Also remember to watch our previous videos.